Now this looks interesting.
What is it?
A strange message from an unknown sender.
Let me see.
Some garbled code?
Or a cry for help.
Interesting. We're not the only recipients. Someone's posted about it on the Haven network. Have a look. Nothing useful there, it seems. Still, it's clearly an intentional message and not random code. I think I understand it. It looks like a cipher. If I use a special key to crack it, then it becomes this string of numbers.
Coordinates.
The old city library. Should we check it out?
Absolutely. Something strange is going on here. I intend to find out what.
Okay, but remember, we need to be careful. Someone might be in danger. Radagast has sent people to clear this place out at least a dozen times. Yet there are still so many fallen.
And they won't stop as long as they seek the Traveler.
Humans often want to be closer to the Traveler. I suppose the fallen are no different.
Seems we've come to the right place.
Someone's overwritten the defense systems here, making them even harder to hack.
Did they use the same encryption method as our anonymous sender?
This is more complicated. Worse still, they use dynamic encryption. Here, I'll convert it into a visible form. As you can see, the key keeps changing based on the input time.
Yes, but these sections of code are consistent.
Right. They've coded a backdoor into the encryption method here, here, and here. These three form the acceptance code. If we can decrypt that string at the right time, we're in. Given the complexity of this security system, I can see why someone would end up trapped inside.
Not a bad place to be stuck if you need to read up on cryptography.
Enemies up ahead. Be careful. This library has more than one security barrier. Looks like it's the same style of encryption, but whoever set it up has increased the difficulty. Well done, Ikora. Careful, there are fallen here too.
presence of all these fallen is worrying. Let's hurry.
Our destination's right on the other side.
Then let's get this over with. Impossible. Admit it, Ophiuchus. That encryption is designed specifically to be impossible to crack.
But the last 2 times...
Do you remember that magician with the bad leg at the caravan? He let people win the first and second round. Then on the third round, when most people had placed their bets, he cheated you. It's a scam that nobody can win.
So the message was just to trick us into coming out here and play us for a couple of fools. To be completely honest, I find the whole thing frustrating too, but I just can't convince myself to give up. What if someone is trapped in there? Until we get inside, we can't know for sure.
Moreover, it's not like we're entirely out of options.
No?
We may not be able to open the door, but we can take a page from the Fallen and knock the wall down.
Peek at a
Oh, thank the Traveler! I'm finally free! Goodbye, dusty bookshelves. Goodbye, wretched barrier. And goodbye, 4-armed menaces who don't understand a word I say. Well done, Lightbearer. I didn't think anyone would manage to free me.
A ghost? So it was you who sent that message?
Yep. You have no idea how miserable I was waiting in there. I was bored out of my shell. I was locked in the horticulture section. The horticulture section! Who in their right mind would find fundamental theories of greenhouse management interesting? Oh, sorry. I'm Sagira.
Listen, Sagira, if you'd just been a little more straightforward in your message, you wouldn't have needed to wait so long.
And let whoever received it be tormented by Osiris's puzzle? Then they'd just go right back to the forums and say, ignore that cry for help unless you want to be humiliated. Anyone who isn't smart enough to figure out that message would have come for nothing, and I'd still be stuck here.
Wait, just now you mentioned...
Oh, Osiris? What, are you a fan of his? I'll need to record this and play it for Osiris at least 30 times. He'll be very offended you said that.
He's a scholar. Of course, if you ask some other folks, he's also a hero, a prophet, the disciple of Fellwinter. He's done a lot of stuff, but he's most famous for his research.
A bit exaggerated, but you're not too far off the mark.
Do you remember that book analyzing branching sources of light? One of its authors was none other than Osiris.
Oh, he's no mere acquaintance. He's my light bearer, and I, yes, yours truly, am his ghost.
I'm Ophiuchus, and this is my light bearer.
Ikora.
It's a pleasure. He might try to hide it, but Osiris will be pleased to meet you too. Especially given your unexpected way of solving his riddles. Oh, to see the look on his face. But Osiris is in quite the pickle right now, and I need your help.
Is this pickle why you were trapped?
Can we talk somewhere else? I've had more than enough of this place. Oh, civilization, how I've missed you. Let's find a cozy place to chat. I'll fill you in on the details. Aha! This will do just perfectly. Warm and cozy. You know, I've actually been to Haven before. Though back then it was still a pile of rubble. Whoa, is that a cat? Oh, right. Back on track. As you can see, I'm here, and Osiris is not. Which means he's ghostless. I have to find him as soon as possible.
Why were you trapped?
All because he always thinks he knows best. We went somewhere new to explore. No humans in sight, tons of fallen, difficult to navigate, the usual. Then, I don't know what on earth he messed with, but a portal suddenly appeared. And in typical Lightbearer fashion, he thinks that just because I can revive him, he can waltz right into any weird portal without a care in the world.
Aha!
Osiris believed it led somewhere dangerous. A place where the light is restricted, as he put it. So, being the genius he is, he came up with a positively brilliant idea. Throwing his ghost into a super safe place and locking her in there until he came back. And he did this entirely without my permission.
Wait, but what would happen if Osiris died?
Exactly. You instantly saw the flaw in his ridiculous plan. But Osiris, the most arrogant man on the planet, didn't even consider it a possibility. Oh, you didn't get it? The answer is as clear as day. Osiris.
What? I thought it was a coincidence. How was I supposed to know it was the actual Osiris?
Oh, no need to be shy. That man gets enough fan mail to fill up my mailbox daily. Yes, precisely! I can't just keep waiting. What if he dies without me? And I can't search for him on my own. It's too dangerous out there. But you, Ikora, you were able to find me. Which means you're a genius and a top-notch fighter.
I can't do this without Ophiuchus helping me crack the code.
So, will you two help me find Osiris? Please? Excellent!
Where did you last see him?
I don't know what the place is called, but I can give you the coordinates.
This is...
Huh, you know it?
Yes, it's Jiangxi Metro.
The Fallen over there are far more organized than those in the old city. We'll need to prepare ourselves before entering their territory again.
Wait, this is it. This is where I was separated from Osiris.
We're not too far from the station. Let's go speak with the nearby gorillas. They might have a lead on his whereabouts.
Ugh, such cold weather. So many fallen, too. I'm surprised people live here at all. Lightless sure are something. Oh, over there! Someone needs help.
Thank you, Ikora. You saved us again.
You're lucky I was in the area. I'm looking for someone. Maybe you can help.
A light bearer. Male. Looks about 60 years old. Has a beard.
Sounds like the spitting image of our captain. He's no light bearer, though.
Wait, I think I might know who you're talking about.
Please, tell us everything.
Yeah, near the station when I was on patrol, I think. It was dark, though, but I'm pretty sure he was an older man with a beard. He was sneaking around and writing on the walls. I reported it to the captain. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have Hound guide you.
Directives received. Scanning for graffiti.
You're pretty popular around these parts, Ikora.
The people here have a sincere heart. If only everyone could unite against a common enemy like these residents, things would go much smoother. Another encrypted code.
No, it's an audio file converted into an image. Have Afyuka scan it and you'll see what I mean.
The Eater of Hope slumbers within an endless abyss. Once the Hive's legions rally, his sword shall gleam again. Could he mean?
Crota.
Oh, right. When Osiris disappeared, he was researching the Hive. His findings even led us to a small brood on Earth. He called them the Hidden Swarm. When he saw them, he swore that the Hive will soon stir.
It's already happening. We need to stop them.
Precisely what Osiris is thinking.
So Osiris has been looking into the Hive all this time. And to think he's planning to face them alone.
He should have told everyone about the Hive threat as soon as he learned of it.
Well, this is Osiris we're talking about.
The exiled prince drew his sword against the stars, cleaving a scar leading straight into the kingdom of death. The phoenix shall rise from my shadow. Wheresoever it flies, you must not tread.
Sounds like a warning.
The portal! The other side must be the kingdom he's referring to.
The description certainly fits the Ascendant Realm.
You've been there?
Yes, once. It was unforgettable, to say the least.
So ghosts can go in! Oh, curse you, Osiris! Why didn't you bring me?
Intriguing, though the phoenix is just a creature of myth.
Yes, but it has links to Egyptian mythology. Just like Osiris.
Ugh, knock it off, nerds. I already get enough of this with Osiris.
But why would he leave behind such cryptic messages? Or, to put it bluntly, why not share this information in a way more people can understand?
Think about it. If you're a refugee who doesn't even have enough to eat, are you really going to concern yourself with a more distant threat? The truth may be important to you, but to others, it's useless. From Osiris's point of view, knowledge should be shared only with those who truly thirst for it. So, if you want to learn more, you'll first need to pass his...
Riddles?
Osiris would prefer to call them trials. A phoenix! Osiris must have left this.
A phoenix rises. This must be where we must not tread.
An overly curious mind will only lead to your demise. Turn back. Do not attempt to open the gate. Oh, that means we've come to the right place. I'll open it up.
Get ready, Ikora. There may be.
I know.
expect an entrance to the Ascended Realm to be hidden here.
It's staying open. And if we can enter, that means the Hive can exit. Get ready.
It's growing unstable. If we want to find Osiris, this may be our only chance.
Then what are we waiting for? Come on, in we go! Wow! This place is impressive.
Sagira!
Osiris? Oh, Osiris, you're alive! Thank the Traveler. Now get out here so I can smack you.
Sagira, what are you doing here? Why did you escape the barrier?
Oh, you thought your little puzzle was so flawless, hmm? Well, guess what?
You should have just stayed in the library. Both of us might die to stop Crota. That's why I chose to do it alone.
Whoa, time out, egomaniac. You're the one who locked me up without even asking my permission. Do you have any idea just how worried I was? What if you messed something up? What if you got hurt? What if you died? The Great Osiris would be reduced to a rotting corpse in who knows where, all while his ghost is stuck behind a stupid barrier forever and ever. Do you like that story? Because I'll have you know, I don't like it one bit.
You're right, and I'm sorry. I should have sought your agreement. But you see, this is a Hive god.
I accept your apology. Also, I brought you a helper.
What?
Ikora, Osiris, Osiris, Ikora. There! Now we all know each other. She's the one who cracked that code of yours and helped me find this place.
Oh, I should have known. Sagira would never be able to escape that barrier on her own. I hope she didn't cause you any trouble.
I'll take that as a compliment. Anyway, the meeting of two geniuses. Who's to say this won't go down in history as...
Tell me, Ikora, how did you remove the final barrier?
Like cutting the Gordian knot. Why untangle something when you can simply cut it in half?
I see. A clever solution. That perspective will serve you well.
So, what were you planning on doing here while I was left all by my lonesome?
Observing the Hive's movements. Make no mistake, they haven't appeared here without reason. They are forming a massive ritual circle on Earth, and one of its anchors is here, in Jiangxi. Sagira was right. You're quite clever, Ikora. They are indeed summoning Crota. They intend to bind his throne world to the Earth. Seeing as you're no stranger to the Eater of Hope, surely you can imagine what this world would entail. What manner of hell Earth would become. To ensure the ritual proceeds smoothly, they will first assemble their summoning circle within the Ascendant Realm. Once everything is prepared, they will project the altars on each anchor into the material world. They've hidden many such altars across Earth, each heavily guarded. And once they begin summoning Crota, we won't have time to stop them. It will already be too late. But they would never anticipate someone entering the Ascendant Realm and ruining their preparations.
That someone being us.
Welcome aboard, Ikora. This is a massive summoning circle, with altars spread far and wide. I've already destroyed some of them, but time is of the essence. Your aid would be welcome.
Ikora, the portal's closing. You need to leave, and fast.
We won't be able to communicate once you leave the Ascendant Realm, but I've sent a location of another entrance to Sagira. If you encounter any trouble, the Phoenix will guide you. We'll meet again at the next portal. Good luck, Ikora.
So, what do you think, Ophiuchus?
Me?
Yes, you. How does it feel to meet your idol?
No, he's not my... I just think his books are insightful.
Oh, no need to be shy. Tell me.
Fine, fine. You two butting heads was quite memorable.
I don't think any light bearer can escape the fate of arguing with their ghost.
Well, hopefully Ikora and I can prove you wrong.
It will be some time before we see Osiris again, so let's make sure we're ready.
Ikora! Seeing as Osiris isn't dead yet, and the world hasn't been destroyed, how about we go destroy some Hive altars and keep it that way?
Based on the data, the last entrance to the Ascended Realm should be around here.
Oh, I forgot to ask you, Ikora. Now that you've met the legendary Osiris, what do you think of him?
I must admit, he's more tolerable than I'd imagined.
And you'd originally imagined him as...
Arrogant, a common trait for people of his intelligence.
Well, he is arrogant, but that's because he's earned it. Look! A phoenix! Just as Osiris said.
The Hive. Thank goodness Osiris put up a barrier here. I'm sure Jiangxi appreciates it too.
Looks like our entrance. Osiris has already told me how to open it. Let me give it a try.
Be careful. The Hive are sure to attack the second it falls.
I'll take care of them.
All right, time to get to business. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Peak at oblivion!
Great work, Ikora. Oh, look, that's Osiris's phoenix. Osiris, can you hear me? We did... Wow.
Is that Crota?
In a way, it is a shade of his soul. But if we don't stop the ritual in time, it will become real soon enough.
Oh dear. We seem to be out of road.
Don't worry. The Phoenix will guide you.
Ikora, be careful.
Relax, Ophiuchus.
How did he do that?
He didn't create this path. He simply revealed it.
The light exists in a variety of forms. Though most people see only its applications in combat. At its most basic, the light reveals what is hidden in darkness. You just need to open your eyes to see the correct path.
Osiris, we found one of the altars.
Logograms that are not just a word, but an idea made tangible. Destroy the glyphs in order, and it will unravel their meaning.
The altar's defenses are down.
Excellent. I'll handle it from here.
I see. He compressed and stored the energy, stabilized, and then agitated it from a distance.
Old man has a few tricks up his sleeve, doesn't he?
I'll have it down in no time.
Experience is the mother of wisdom.
Look,
That's the second one.
It appears we're both making good progress.
What was that?
The ritual has begun. They feel threatened, so they're bringing the remaining altars into the material world ahead of time.
How much longer do we have?
Optimistically, 3 minutes.
Yikes!
There is still one more altar left to destroy in your plane.
3 minutes is all I need.
Ugh, I'm so sick of the number 3. Why is it always 3? 3 riddles, 3 runes.
It is an intriguing number, is it not? Humanity has long held a fascination with the integer, even in the most fundamental aspects of geometry, triangles.
Please! I'm sorry.
They've already projected the runes into the real world.
We'd be searching for a needle in the haystack.
Calm down. I have an idea.
Really? What is... Whoa! Now, Osiris! We've stopped the ritual! Brilliant, Ikora. Absolutely brilliant.
You used the same method to solve my final challenge at the library, didn't you? A crude approach, but a very shrewd one. Astonishing, even. I finished up here as well. With the tethers to our reality broken, I suspect the Ascendant Realm will begin to reject our presence here.
Then let's meet up outside, Osiris. And... you're welcome.
Sagira, the Hive, the Ascended Realm? Ikora, have you thought about how you're going to report all this to Lord Radagast?
I'm still wondering just how much we should divulge about Osiris.
Speaking of Osiris, am I seeing things? Or is that his phoenix? Where is it leading us?
Leave the past in the past. The names woo me now.
Since when has there been a holo terminal here? I suppose we should try Osiris's communications code.
Oh! It's Ikora! She's contacting us! Osiris!
Sagira, I'm right beside you.
Osiris, you have an obscure way of handling things. Explain.
Secretive, not obscure, Ikora. Haven is Radagast's territory. He has eyes and ears everywhere. I don't want to subject myself to his control. After all, I have no plans to meet with him officially anytime soon. That would invite an inconvenient amount of trouble.
Why use a phoenix? Is it related to your name?
That was one of the reasons.
But...
Tell me, Ikora, have you ever made contact with the Traveler? Setting aside the moment of your resurrection, were there ever any moments that made you think, the Traveler possesses consciousness, and it has chosen me? Not through your ghost or a relic, but something deeper.
no, never. But I take it you have?
Yes. While I was meditating, I saw a bird. I can't quite explain it, but when I saw it, I was struck with an idea, a feeling of certainty. This is the Traveler. We are reborn in light, and when I needed to condense mine, the first form I thought of was, naturally, avian.
So what did you need to contact me for?
You're quite well read, are you not? I have a library at the Dead Sea filled with some rare and valuable tomes I found in my travels around the globe. If you're interested, feel free to visit.
What this old bibliophile actually means is he wants to invite you to discuss things nobody else is willing to talk with him about.
Sagira?
All right, all right. Ugh, why can't you people just speak frankly?
The library at the Dead Sea. I'll keep it in mind, Osiris.
If you have any thoughts after reading those books, I would be most interested in hearing them.
This sounds far more enticing than the library in the old city.
Then farewell for now. I look forward to your visit.